Good morning, guys. It is 5:48 a.m., 43 degrees here in North Billerica, Massachusetts. And I'm just moving from one parking lot over to the other side of the building here to deliver. Let's see, I gotta go up in this dock here. I don't know if there's enough room for me to spin around up there or not. Maybe. Alright guys, we are empty. Headed for home. There's a car right next to me here. Actually a white minivan that has a Bud Light for breakfast. Yeah, we got 247 miles to the house. Should be there about 1:30. A 6 a.m. appointment. I didn't get out of there till 8:30. They didn't really get started on me till about 7:40. They have two of their own trucks that were supposed to be going out right about 6 o'clock. Apparently one of the drivers lost a key to his truck, so they had to go get a key somewhere. They were rider trucks. It was just too tight for me to get turned around in there. And actually the dock they wanted me to back into, the truck that was in the that they lost the key to was blocking access pretty much to that dock. So we're just now getting out of here. It's actually 9 o'clock now. 50 degrees outside. was messed up.
10 gram
I don't know what that four-wheeler was giving that cop a hard time about directing traffic. That's funny. We're just getting on the Mass Turnpike here. They did away with all the toll booths on the Mass Turnpike. It's all open road tolling now. Which helps keep the traffic moving a little better, but still, the Mass Pike is probably still one of the cheapest toll roads in the Northeast for sure. So I'm getting on here at 495 and headed west over into New York. I don't know what the toll is, but I know it's under $30, so I don't know the exact toll. There's a bunch of these open road tolling locations. Like there's one coming up ahead here. I'll show it to you when we get right close to it, but it's either it reads your Easy Pass or it takes a picture of your plate if you don't have an Easy Pass, and it sends you the bill in the mail. Sign right there, electronic tolling, no transponder, no problem, we will bill you. Oh boy, they will. So, if I was a car, this toll right here, we're going underneath it right now, is 50 cents. So, I don't know what it is for a truck. I think it's like $5 or 5 something maybe. And there's a couple of them along the way over to New York. That's it. That's your toll booths. Which I got Easy Pass, so it comes right out of my Easy Pass account. So yeah, so like I say, I'm on the Mass Pike now. Traffic's been good. It's light here. Not bad at all. It's supposed to rain or sprinkle or drizzle or something here before too long. I know at my house temperature's supposed to be dropping. Maybe getting some mixed precipitation this afternoon. Yeah, so we'll get home and then we'll just be home today, rest of today, and well, if we get home at 1:14, wow, I can't leave again till, if I want to get a 34-hour restart in, I can't leave until 11:14 tomorrow night. That'll give me 34 hours at home. Alright guys, decided to get off here at this little truck stop at the state line. The Love's is up over there, but the place is always packed. I think what I'm going to do is pull in here to this little truck stop. They make sandwiches and stuff in here. I'm going to grab me a sandwich for lunch. Parking on the sides over there, right? Okay.
Exit right.
Yeah, nobody in the parking lot. Wow. It's full of potholes and it's muddy. Alright. Oy, ay, ay. Usually like pulling up behind the building there, but there's nowhere to park. Everything's full. I haven't stopped in here in ages. Ages. Well, I'm gonna run in, grab me a sandwich. All right. Oh boy, look at that thing, huh? Look at that sub. It's gorgeous, ain't it? Gorgeous. Yep. Pepperoni, salami, ham, tomatoes, onions, Italian dressing, and provolone cheese. So that's what Trucker John's having for lunch. Good. Alright guys, we had our lunch. Now let's get home. Let's get on home. Let's see. Looks like we got 103 miles left to go. Should be home.
Then exit right.
Should be home before 2 o'clock anyway. Yeah, it's pretty good. Little deli they got in that truck stop there. Deli or little C-store, I guess. They make all your food fresh. They'll grill stuff for you. They always have stuff ready to go too, like hamburgers, cheeseburgers, chowder, you know, and soups and stuff like that. You ever get a chance, stop in there. It's an Ambest truck stop right here next to the Loves at the New York, Massachusetts state line here on I-90. Looked over there at the Loves. It is bomb. Alright man, the rain is letting up. And we are just about to cross the Hudson River again. We crossed it yesterday on the way into Massachusetts. So this is the mighty Hudson River, just south of Albany. This is called the Castleton on the Hudson Bridge.
In 1 mile, keep right.
Well, we're almost home, guys. 15 miles to go. And our temperature's down to 34 right now. Looks like there's been some wet snow around a little bit here and there. We had a pretty good week this week. Appreciate everybody stopping in and watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you again next time. Take care now.